Bathing a newborn can be a daunting task for new parents, but it's an essential part of their routine care. Not only does it keep your baby clean, but it can also help soothe them and establish a relaxing bedtime routine. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks for making bath time a safe and enjoyable experience for both you and your baby. Tip 1. Gather your supplies. Before you start bathing your newborn, make sure you have all your supplies ready. You'll need a baby bathtub, a soft washcloth or sponge, baby soap or shampoo, a towel, a clean diaper, and clothes to dress your baby in after the bath. Make sure everything is within reach and that the water temperature is suitable for your baby's delicate skin. Tip 2. Maintain a safe environment. Bathing a newborn requires careful attention to ensure their safety. Never leave your baby unattended, even for a second. Keep one hand on your baby at all times, and use a non-slip mat in the tub to prevent any slips or falls. Also, make sure the water temperature is just right, not too hot or cold. Tip 3. Start with a sponge bath. For the first week or two after birth, give your newborn a sponge bath to keep them clean. Use a soft, damp washcloth or sponge to gently clean their face, neck, arms, legs, and diaper area. Avoid getting water in their ears or eyes, and pat them dry with a soft towel. Tip 4. Move on to a full bath. Once your baby's umbilical cord stump falls off and their circumcision has healed, you can start giving them a full bath. Fill the baby tub with a few inches of warm water, and add a small amount of baby soap or shampoo. Gently place your baby in the water, supporting their head and neck, and use a soft washcloth to clean their body. Rinse them off with clean water and wrap them in a soft towel. Tip 5. Make it a bonding experience. Bath time can be an excellent opportunity to bond with your newborn. Sing songs, talk to them, and make eye contact to help establish a positive and relaxing experience. Use gentle, circular motions when washing your baby to stimulate their senses and help them relax. Bathing your newborn can be a fun and enjoyable experience for both you and your baby. By following these tips and tricks, you can ensure that bath time is safe, comfortable, and helps you bond with your little one. Remember to always keep a hand on your baby, maintain a safe environment, and make it a relaxing experience.